Okay. This is gonna be my new sewing room. I am really excited to have like a dedicated space. This is gonna be a video where I'm cleaning up, putting things away, organized with me, and I'm gonna take you along with me. So let's get into it. So this is my desk right there, and I'm going to have to set it up, but before I can do that, I think I need to clear out some of the stuff you cannot see, but it is a mess on the floor. Like I said, I'm not a very tidy person and things are looking pretty chaotic in here. Okay. I changed my mind. I'm just gonna set up my desk right now because it's easier to just get it set up and then I can like get my cart and everything around it ready and then I can put things away. Okay, I already hate this. Feels pretty good. Now that my desk is built, I basically just have to assemble the room. Easier said than done, because there's stuff everywhere. One thing I'm like very determined is to make this room a lot neater than my previous sewing room, because my previous sewing room was in my bedroom and it was pretty chaotic, and I would really like to not bring the chaos here. So I think I've got to like really be strategic about how I do things, but I'm not like a strategic person, especially like not when it comes to organizing. So I think, yeah, I'm feeling a slight overwhelm, I think, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. It really isn't. It just feels bigger than it really is, I think. I have some ideas. One second. We have these. I have two metal shelves that I wasn't really sure what to do with, and my partner also wasn't sure what to do with them, but I think I have a good spot for them, and they can house some things that don't currently have a place, and they can also have my plants, so that's a win-win. I think I know what I'm gonna do with them, but I don't know if they'll fit, so we're gonna try that out. Let's see. Feels right. Okay, this is the big guns of this operation. I was gonna use this for something else, but I think it has to be my patterns. So what I'm gonna do is take what I had in here out and put my sewing patterns in, because that's the big thing that needs to be sorted out right now. Oh. It doesn't fit. It's too tall. I should probably check this before I go any further. That'll do. Perfect fit. Cool. I had this organized. I wanted to put fabric here that I was going to use like soonish so that I could see it, and then I have fabric. Anyways, I'm gonna organize this now and I'll walk you through it. This I have talked about in a recent video, or a couple of recent videos. I really want to make something with this soon. This is gonna be a slip dress. This is the pretty side. I think that will be very pretty. This fabric is super cool and I can't wait to use it. It's like a canvas. It's very cool. Some basic white linen that I think I will probably end up dyeing, at least some of it. I think there's like 3 or 4 yards in here. Sometimes you just need a little boost, you know? Most of these are heavier fabrics that I can't really use right now, so they're gonna go up to the top shelf where I can't reach. Okay, now for just more seasonal fabric. There's always so much more than you think there is. Always. I think it's time for a little snack. This is looking way better already. I'm feeling really good about it. Plus the light that this room gets is so nice. So I'm definitely feeling like I'm reaching kind of the end of this like cleaning up process, and it's not so bad. I've got like the chaise here, and I've got like some clothes I have to put in my closet, so that's good. And then I've just got some like little odds and ends that actually don't even belong in this room, so we're good. We're in good shape, my friends. And then of course, actually, I just discovered this whole box, so maybe not. Well, I think this might be a pretty good future angle for filming, so that's cool. But I always get asked like how I store my sewing stuff, and this box actually has a lot of it, so I'll open it up and we'll kind of talk through it a bit. I use these IKEA little like clear containers for various things. These all have like, this is all my like sewing machine presser feet, and a few other, yeah, they're mostly presser feet and like things specifically for the sewing machine. And I put all of that, I don't know if you can see it, in this little rolly cart right here that I always keep beside my sewing desk. And so I've got a few of them that are not necessarily all that organized right now because I just kind of like filled them up, but I do try to keep them generally organized on like a day-to-day basis so that when I'm sewing I can actually find the things that I need. So this one looks like, oh, this goes into here. But this one is primarily needles. So like hand sewing needles, twin needle, sewing machine needles, all that, which is making me realize I actually need to get more needles. So that's why it's a good idea to keep these organized. Put this in my little rolly cart too. I've also got this baby. And then this one, but I'm gonna have to really organize these because yeah, they're just kind of packed full from stuff from my move. I'm dropping things everywhere. I thought about not keeping my yarn winder on my desk, but it honestly is just so much easier to have it just continuously stay here. So I think I'm gonna put it in that corner back there that you cannot see. Also, one thing that you don't know about me is that I keep fidget toys everywhere. Like I have a little like velvet pouch of fidget toys. So I always keep them nearby on my desk, usually on this cart, because it's not enough to sew, I also need to fidget. Yeah. Two more things. One, I really like using shoe duster bags for like yarn project bags or like knitting project bags. So that's something. Two, I wasn't kidding about fidget toys. Like look at all of these. These just came out of they came out of this bag. But I think my favorites tend to be like this one because it's like, it's got a little marble in there and I like the feeling of like the texture of the little squishy thing. And then I really like this one because it's just like, and it's like squishy. Anyways, those are my fidget toys. Okay, I think it's time that I show you what I've got going on. I'll start here. So this is going to be, there it is, my scraps all my scraps for my fabric is going to be in here. And then I've got my sewing machine, and then lower, let's see if I can lower you, 1 second. Down here, I've got my serger, and then my petals, and some buttons, and some notions and stuff. And then even further, in here, I've got all my yarn. And then this one too. So that is feeling, oh my gosh, can we get it back in there? Yeah. So that is feeling like pretty good. I feel happy about that setup. And then I'll show you my fabric. I'm gonna have to lift you up again. And one more time. Okay. So I have divided all these drawers into different things. The fabrics that I want to work with immediately, heavier weight fabrics and fabrics that I don't plan on using up there. I've got 2 bins that are for like works in progress, like things I've cut out but I haven't sewn with yet. A drawer of knits and a drawer of like kind of miscellaneous stuff. So this is all my fabric, plus, like I said, the scraps over there. And that is feeling really good. And then I'll turn you around so you can see over here, got my desk with my printer and my cart and my little ironing station all over there. And everything is kind of in its place for the most part. I'm just gonna tidy up, put together a little donation pile because there's still things that I realized I need to get rid of after doing all of that. And so this is as good of a place as any to end the video. I will be next time showing you what I'm decorating or how I'm decorating, what I'm bringing in. I'm gonna go to IKEA, all that good stuff. So I will take you along for that. But that's it for today. This was a fun little cleaning, organizing exercise. I'll see you next time. If you wanna watch more organizing, I've got this video right here from my old place. Otherwise, have a great one. I'll see you soon. Bye.